Hello, welcome to Mindfully Crocheted. My name is Mara and today is Monday, May 8th. I'm just coming on real quick to do a unboxing of some great mail that I received today. So stay tuned and we will get it open. So about a week ago, Diana from Daigo Crochet did a fundraiser, and it was for her brother, and I purchased some raffle tickets for that fundraiser, and so this is the package that I'm opening. It was from my winnings from that fundraiser. So I'm just going to get right to it. I'm going to use my box cutter. Make sure that you use your box cutter safely when you're opening packages. I think I had to learn the hard way once. Okay, I think that's enough cutting. What I like about this particular box cutter is that it has a blade protection for it. Okay, put this in front of me. Some pretty pink tissue. Okay, in here we've got charcoal ombre. And this is a Lion brand, 4-ply worsted weight. Okay. And another one in the colorway Copper Kettle. And each of these is 85 grams, 100% virgin Orlan acrylic fiber, color fast and shrink proof. It even says moth proof and non-allergenic. That's cool. This is a classic. This one, it says by Coates and Clark, Norwalk, Connecticut. And it says 85 grams, but I don't think it gives you the number of yards in that, but it's about 3 ounces. Pretty cool. Okay, and there's another one in that colorway. And it looks like a couple more in the charcoal colorway. Put those there. This is a wool blend yarn. This is a neon green color. It is very hard to see on camera, but it is like a lime or neon kind of green. Let's see. Oh, almost had it. Okay, and this says that it's 70% acrylic and 30% washable wool. You can machine wash and dry flat. And this is a 5 weight. Actually, on here it's saying crazy yellow, but to me it kind of, well, it's a yellowy green or neon yellow. Okay, here is another one of the Copper Kettle. So it looks like 3 each of those. And another of the yellow, neon yellow. I'm getting a nice little tower over here to my side. Okay, and oh, this is super soft. A Karen Cotton Cakes by Yarnspirations. And this one looks like it's the equivalent of 3 balls, it says. It's a number 4 weight. 60% cotton, 40% acrylic, 211 yards. And the colorway is Boho Floral. I love boho. I think I was just commenting on someone's live the other day. Okay. We've got more of the wool blend yarn in the 5-weight. This one, the color says Screamin' Green. My little tower is going to fall over. Going to have a little avalanche. Okay, and it looks like in here I've got 6 balls of Spring Swirl Sugar and Cream. This is lavender and cream color. I really like this. So 6 balls. Each ball, let's see if I can find one where the yardage is here, 95 yards. So almost 600 yards of this one. Very cute. I love this. Thanks so much, Diana. Really appreciate it. Oh, cool. I have been just kind of getting into making a little bit of amigurumi lately, and so this is a Mary Maxim book, amigurumi. Let's see what's in here. 6 adorable designs. It looks like there's an elephant and a frog, a rabbit, an owl. Let's see. Very cute. Oh, maybe even an octopus is showing on the back picture. I'm not sure if you're seeing it in reverse. This is really good. So there's a dinosaur, owl, jackrabbit, Braden bunny, Freddy frog. So cute. All right, thank you so much. I'm going to put this to use. And I can use some of the cotton. I do like the idea of multicolored amigurumi, and I thought, you know, where you just make their bodies and it can just be striped. Kind of fun. Llama Mama Kayla does that with some of her amigurumi. And it looks like there is one more thing in there, but this is the last big ball of yarn. This is Yarn Art Flowers Alpaca, and I have not received or bought Yarn Art before, and I love the Yarn Art flowers, and alpaca is some of my favorite fiber to work with. It is so soft. I really want to open this one up, so sorry for any plastic crinkling. I want you to be able to see it outside of the packaging. So gorgeous. And it is super soft. It's got just a little bit of a halo on it. And it is 20% alpaca, 80% acrylic. Okay. And it is 250 grams or 8.8 ounces. And this one ball is about, or this one cake is about 1,200 yards. It's very close to 1,028 yards. This is a number 2 fine, and I don't mind working with small weights of yarn. I have done a lot with crochet thread, and I've made a lot of doilies and lace, and I really do like it. And so this is actually not too bad as far as the size goes. Sorry, kind of hard to see. Okay, and then the last item in here is a hook set. And so I'm going to open this up. got a little elastic band that slides off. Kind of nice. Oh, very cool. Everything crochet. And so this is the handle. It seems like maybe it has a row counter built right in. I'll read the instructions. Press any button to turn hook on. Press the S button after each stitch to increase the stitch count. Press and hold the S button to decrease the stitch count. Repeat steps above to the R button to change the row count. Hold the S button for 3 seconds to reset the stitch count. Hold the R button for 3 seconds to reset the row count. The hook will turn off automatically after 3 minutes of inactivity, and then you can press any button to resume. Very cool. And so it comes with a cable, a charging cable. So you plug it into the end here, and then you can plug it into a USB cable or plug. And then the hooks are interchangeable. And so it looks like the smallest hook, I won't read all the sizes, but let's see if they're marked on here. The smallest one is a B, 2.5 millimeters, and it says it in little black print on the acrylic handle right here. It's so cute. Okay. And then you stick them in and you twist to lock into place. Yeah, like that. So the smallest size is a 2.5 millimeter. Oh, great. There's a little tool, which is good because I already can't untwist it with my hands. And yeah, it comes with a little wrench to undo it. And then the largest size is a J hook, 6.5 millimeter. So you stick them in there and you can twist them and lock them into place, and then you just put the little wrench on it and then twist it to unlock it, and it comes right off. That is really a nice set, and I can't wait to put that to use. So that was my happy mail for today. Thanks so much for tuning in, and thank you, Diana, for supporting your brother as well as other people here on YouTube. And if there is more that I can do to support, I really am happy to do so. So I hope that you all are having a wonderful day. Make sure to take care of yourself and be kind. Oh my goodness, I just looked into the box and realized that I missed one thing. Diana also included a little card, and how nice. She wrote "Sweet Mara" on it. I will open that in just a second, but I also wanted to show you the inside cover of the Mary Maxim Amigurumi book. Oh, sorry, I just can't get this to line up. It shows the 6 different patterns that are in there, and it tells you the page number that they're on. All right, okay, so now I will open the card real quick. It says thank you. Congratulations. Sweet Mara, thank you so much for your support. Hope you like what's in the box. Love you bunches. Diana Daigo. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. So I love you bunches too. Once again, I really enjoyed supporting your event, and I will look forward to getting to know this great Yarny community better. See you. Take care, and once again, be kind.